Hey guys, welcome back to the Delft Stack, and today I will be showing you how to avoid interstates on Waze. So guys, first is you can just simply go ahead and open the application into your device. Now, once you have opened up the Waze application, you can just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now over here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here or the gear icon. Now, once you are here on the settings, guys, you just simply go to the driving preferences category and you should be able to see here navigation. So go ahead and select navigation over here. And now you should be able to see here avoid freeways option. So guys, make sure that this is turned on. And as you can see, you could filter out other options as well. And right after that, Waze will then try to find alternative routes, though it might still suggest them if no other reasonable option exists. But you could also have an option over here, avoid toll roads or avoid ferries. Here, you could check these two as well. So you could maximize the feature of the ways. And pretty much this will allow you to avoid interstates on ways. So over here, you could utilize the navigation feature of Waze. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.